This week we are learning about money. By the end of this lesson, you should be able to identify the coins, pennies, nickels, and dimes. You should be able to count a collection of these coins. Are you ready to start? Let's go. Hello everyone and welcome to our lesson about pennies, nickels and dimes. For this lesson, you're going to need your bag of American coins, and we are going to be learning about this coin, the penny. You can see it's a bronze color. Nickels, the bigger silver one, and dimes, the smaller silver one. So, pennies are equal to 1 cent. Nickels are equal to 5 cents and dimes are equal to 10 cents. Now, I would like you to take 3 of each from your bag. I already have 1 of each, so I'm just going to take 2 more. Here I have 2 more pennies. 2 more nickels and 2 more dimes. The dimes are the smallest silver ones. Now there is one other big silver coin in there, but you're not going to learn about that until next week. So now you should have 3 pennies, 3 nickels and 3 dimes put in the correct place. Let's count. What is the value of these pennies? If each penny is 1 cent, the value of 3 pennies is 3 cents, of course. So you can write 3 cents here. Now let's count the nickels. How many do you have? 1, 2, 3. Okay, each one is worth 5 cents. So we should skip count by 5 to get the value of these nickels. 5, 10, 15. So the value of these nickels is 15 cents. Write it here on the line. And the last one is the dimes. We have 3 dimes and each dime is worth 10 cents. So we should skip count by 10 to find the value of these dimes. 10, 20, 30. So here on the line, you should write 30 cents. Let's check our work. The value of the pennies, you should put 3 cents. 1, 2, 3. The value of the nickels is 15 cents. 5, 10, 15. And the value of the dimes is 30 cents. 10, 12, 10, 20, 30. Well done, everyone. On page 484, we are going to count dimes, nickels, and pennies. Now, like we learned on the last page, this small c with the line going through it stands for cents. A dime equals 10 cents. This is a dime. A nickel is equal to 5 cents. This is a nickel. A penny is equal to 1 cent. So we count by 1 when we count pennies. When we count dimes, we count by 10. So let's count these 2 dimes. 10 cent, 20 cents. You can trace 10 and 20. Then we will count the nickels. 1 nickel is 5 cents. 2 nickels will be 10 cents. You can trace these 2 numbers. And here we have 2 pennies. 1 penny will be 1 cent and 2 pennies will be 2 cents. You can pause the video and take a few minutes to count and trace the numbers. To find the value of coins, start counting with the coin that has the greatest value. So the greatest value is the coin with the biggest value, the most. So that is our dime. The dime is worth 10 cents. So here we have 2 dimes, 10, 20. Now we have a nickel. A nickel is worth 5 cents, so we need to add 5. Now we have 25 cents. Then we have another nickel, so we add another 5 cents. Now we have 30 cents. Then we have 2 pennies, so we need to add 1 and 1. Now we have 31 cents, 32 cents. So the total value of this group of coins is 32 cents. Okay, everyone, let's do number 1. Count to find the value of the coins. We need to count these 3 coins to find out how much we have. This coin, the small silver one, is a dime. As we know, a dime is worth how much? Yes, 10 cents. Well done. So let's write here 10. This is the medium-sized silver coin. It is a nickel. How much is a nickel worth? That's right, it's worth 5 cents. So our dime and our nickel together is 10 cents and 5 cents, 15 cents. Then we have a penny. A penny is worth 1 cent. We have a dime, a nickel, and a penny. 10 and 5 is 15, plus 1 cent is 16. So the answer is 16 cents. And you can write it here on the line. You can pause the video until you finish this number 1. Now, on number 2, we are going to count these coins. Let's start and see how many dimes, nickels, and pennies we have. We have 1, 2, 3 dimes. A dime is worth 10 cents, so we need to skip count by 10 3 times. 10, 20, 30. Now we have 2 nickels. 1 nickel is worth 5 cents, so we need to skip count by 5 2 times. 35, 40, and now we have 1 penny. So we need to add 40 plus 1 is 41. So all together, these coins make 41 cents. If you can, try and use your plastic coins to make 70 cents out of dimes. How many dimes will you need to make 70 cents? Remember, a dime is equal to 10 cents. So if a dime is equal to 10 cents, how many of them will make 70 cents? You can write the answer on your book. Well done. Thank you. Okay, everyone. Now we are going to do page 485. Again, we need to count to find the value of the coins. We are counting dimes that are 10 cents, nickels that are 5 cents, and pennies that are 1 cent. Let's do number 3. Count to find the value of the coins. First, we start with the biggest coins. We have 2 dimes. Maybe it will help if you want to write the value of each coin on the top. For example, 10 cents, 1 dime. This is also 10 cents. A nickel is 5 cents. The other nickel, another 5 cents. And the penny, 1 cent. So maybe this will help you with counting. Now we need to skip count by 10 2 times. 10, 20. Now we need to start at 20 and skip count by 5 2 times. 25, 30. And now we need to add 1. 30 plus 1 is 31. So the value of these coins is 31 cents. You can pause the video while you complete number 3. Next, we'll do number 4. Maybe you would like to write the value of the coins on top to help you when you're counting. So, together, let's write the value of the coins on the top. Here's 3 dimes. The dimes are worth how much? That's right, 10 cents each. So let's write 10 on top of each one. Next, we have these coins. What are these called? That's right, they are nickels. And each nickel is worth 5 cents, correct. So let's write 5 cents on top of each of the nickels. And now we have 1 penny, which is equal to 1 cent. Okay, now you need to skip count by 10 3 times. 10, that's right, 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. Now we start at 30 and we skip count by 5 3 times. 35, 40, 45. And lastly, we need to add 1 penny. 45 plus 1, and I will let you put the answer here. Now you can do the rest of the page yourself. Don't forget to upload your work to Class Dojo so your teachers can give you lots of points. In our next lesson, you will have to do page 487 and 488 by yourself. I know what you're thinking, but you can definitely do it by yourselves. Good luck and thank you for watching. Bye bye.